For the vehicle's ambient light, go to Settings, Vehicle, Light, Indoor Ambient Lighting to freely adjust the brightness and color. Adjust the beam level of the headlamps according to the vehicle position, luggage, and passengers to secure a field of view that suits your posture. The incline of the vehicle changes depending on the luggage and passengers. By using the dial, you can adjust the level from 0 to 3. The higher the number, the lower the headlamp beam level, and the lower the number, the higher the headlamp beam level. Always keep the headlamp beam at the proper leveling position. The Headlamp Escort feature secures a field of vision for drivers who step out of the car at night or in dark environments by keeping the headlamp on for about 15 seconds. When the engine is turned off and the driver's door is opened and closed with the headlamps on, the taillights and headlights do not turn off immediately, but remain on for about 15 seconds. The Headlamp Escort feature can be set in the Light Headlamp Escort menu of the infotainment system.
Kia, movement that inspires.